Hi, my royal family, and welcome to Shelly Dares to Budget. On my channel, we talk about budgeting and saving money. If that's something that you're interested in, please subscribe to my channel and watch my journey. Today, we're going to be budgeting $440. Now, I haven't been doing videos consistently, and I apologize for that. It's just been busy. And this week, this is the first time that we have nothing in our envelopes. So we're gonna work on getting some money in them. Now, honestly, I did buy groceries already, and gas already, and I spent my coupon in money. So I'll explain as we go along, but the first envelope is baby boys, and baby boys, as usual, if you watch my channel, gets $20. So $20 to baby boys. And then the next envelope we have is couponing, and couponing gets 0 because I already couponed, so there's no reason to spend. The next is gas. So gas gets 0 as well. I already put gas in my car. The next is groceries. I know, it's like I'm not stuffing any money. Groceries gets 0 as well because I already spent that. Me, myself, and I have to put something in there for me. So $20. Now to bank, I already deposit or transferred what I needed to go in my bank account, so this envelope will also be 0. Cash divider will also be 0. So that's my cash dividers all done. I'm going to put it over to the side. So next we have a sophisticated, and in sophisticated, the first we have is beauty, and beauty is completely wiped out. I got myself and my daughter's hair done, so beauty is all wiped out. If you hear any noise, my rambunctious boys are upstairs making a lot of noise. I don't know if you guys can hear them, but $5 goes into beauty. Next we have birthdays, and birthdays is also getting $5. The next envelope is business, and business is getting $270. Now, the reason why I haven't been posting consistently is because, honestly, how should I put this? When you own a business, right, you have to make sacrifices to make sure that your inventory keeps flowing. So based upon that, I go to the farmer's market. So it keeps me busy now. It keeps me more busy than before because I have to keep up with my inventory. So as my customers buy, I have to make, and then I have to prepare myself for the next farmer's market. So that's why I've been so inconsistent, but I haven't been using my money incorrectly. I've been budgeting out and then using the money that I budget in an appropriate manner. Okay, hopefully I explained that. So I took out the money for business, and I don't know why. I'm going to put it back in here. So whatever I make, I try to put back into the business. So this is 150, 170, 170. So this is 190, 210, 230, 250, 270. So we're going to count that again. So 50, 100, 150, 170, 190, 210, 230, 250, 270. So $270 goes in the envelope. That's for business. Next we have car maintenance, and car maintenance is just going to get $1 this week. Next we have clothing, and clothing is also getting $1 this week. Dining out is also getting $1, and money needs to come out of here because I gotta go to bank, but I'll deal with that off camera. Entertainment is getting $20. Heat and electric. Now guys, we got our solar and it's amazing. I haven't got my first bill yet, but if you're an OG to my channel, my royal family, you know my light bill has always been, maybe not, maybe you haven't known, but my light bill will range from anywhere from $400 to $800 a month. I repeat, $400 to $800 a month. It's almost rent. So we finally got the solar, and our home gets like full sun, a lot of sun. So sometimes we have been sending a lot of energy to the electric company. So I can't wait to see my next bill, but I also have to pay the previous bill, so I still have to stuff. So heat and electric is going to get $80. So that's 20, 30, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80. So we're gonna count once more. So 20, 30, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80. So $80 is going towards heat and electric. The next we have household, and household we're giving $5 to household. Next is miscellaneous, and miscellaneous is getting $0. So that ends sophisticated binder. Next we have Miss Sassy. Now in Miss Sassy we have Christmas, and Christmas is getting $10. 5, 10. Next we have passport, and we did, I don't remember if I said it in the last video, my son did, we did do my baby's passport. So this envelope is kind of slim, but I'm still gonna keep stuffing it, even if it's like $1 a week, until I feel like one of us need our passport renewed. So $1 goes in passport. I don't know if I showed you the dollar. Now taxes is not getting anything this week. Vacation, wait, did I miss one? Oh, water and sewer. Water and sewer is getting $1. And then I guess nothing in vacation. I thought I had another $1, but I guess I misplaced it. So I guess nothing in vacation, which is fine. Yeah, it's fine. I have enough for August. I have enough spending money to go away. No, guys, we put nothing in our dollar. Oh, but we still have our coins. So because I have so many, I figured I'll put it in my plastic jug here. This was a Lipton iced tea jug. So I figure I'll just make one big splash for you guys. There we go. So this is what we're looking like. We're looking pretty good. And then the dollars, I didn't put anything in, so we're gonna close that up. Well, guys, if you like what you just watched and you want to see more, please consider subscribing to my channel. It will really help my channel out, and liking and sharing my content. I do have a TikTok channel and my videos do get a lot of views on there, but I would want that to be so on this platform as well. So please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you, Royals. Have a good day. Bye-bye.